Prayer mats are an integral part of Islam and essential in prayer. They also have a lot of significance in other religions as well. We provide prayer mats in a variety of shapes and sizes. The material we used for making the prayer mats is soft and durable. They are available in many different colors. The most common type of prayer mat is the flat but thick piece of carpet. We provide the best quality of prayer mats in Dubai, which are made of superior quality material. There are many other brands that offer these materials, but they do not provide the same comfort and durability like our products. The significance of these prayer mats is to provide comfort and convenience for those who pray on them. We ensure that our prayer mats are durable, easy to maintain, eco-friendly and affordable. You can order these best quality prayer mats in Dubai from our company today.